All right, so let us solve this question. Now we have 2 raised to the power x times 4 raised to the power x times 8 raised to the power x is equal to 40. So let's rewrite the left-hand side. So we have 2 raised to the power x. We know that 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 2 dot x. 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 3 dot x equals 40. So now we have 2 raised to the power x times 2 raised to the power 2x times 2 raised to the power 3x equals 40. So we can see on the left-hand side that we have the same base, and therefore we can add our powers. And this stems from the fact that we know that a raised to the power m dot a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So we're going to apply this to the left-hand side of the equation. So now we have same base, 2, and then we add the powers, x plus 2x plus 3x equals 40. So the powers add up to 6x equals 40. So now, next thing to do would be to supply log to both sides of the equation. Therefore, we have log of 2 raised to the power 6x is equal to log of 40. We know that log a raised to the power b is the same thing as b log a. So we're going to apply this to the left-hand side of the equation. Therefore, we have 6x log 2 equals log of 40. So now we're going to get rid of log 2 so that we have 6x, and then later on get rid of 6 as well. So but for now, let's get rid of log 2 from the left-hand side so that we just have 6x all by itself. So we're going to divide both sides by log 2. Divide both sides by log 2. And we have 6x is equal to log 40 divided by log 2. So now on the right-hand side, let us break up 40. We know that 40 is the same thing as 5 times 8, or 8 times 5, divided by log 2. So now we have that 6x is equal to, this becomes log of 8 plus log of 5, all divided by log 2. So now let us separate them. We have log of 8 divided by log of 2 plus log of 5. This is just another way of rewriting the earlier step, because if we find the LCM of log 2 and then solve it again, we'll still have log 8 plus log 5 divided by log 2. Okay, now so let's rewrite 8. 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 3 over log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2. So from our earlier formula, log 2 raised to the power 3 becomes 3 log 2 divided by log 2 plus log 5 divided by log 2. Now log 2 cancels out, and what we have left is 6x equals 3 plus log of 5 divided by log of 2. So next is to find the value of x, and that is by dividing both sides by 6. So if we divide both sides by 6, we have 3 plus log 5 divided by log 2, all divided by 6. This cancels out, and therefore our value of x is equal to 3 plus log 5 divided by log 2 all over 6. Now we can rewrite log 5 divided by log 2 because we know that log of a divided by log of b is the same thing as log of a base b. Okay, knowing this, so let's rewrite that section of the right hand side of the equation, and it becomes log of 5 base 2 all divided by 6. And this is our final answer. Now we're going to go ahead and verify and make sure that this answer is correct. So to verify, our question was what? 2 raised to the power x, 4 raised to the power x times 8 raised to the power x. Now we're going to try to see if the left-hand side is going to be equal to the right-hand side, which is 40. If we introduce the value of x into wherever we'll find x on the left-hand side. So now we have 2 raised to the power 3 plus log 5 base 2 divided by 6 times 4 raised to the power 3 plus log 5 base 2 divided by 6 times 8 raised to the power 3 plus log of 5 base 2 divided by 6. We're trying to see if that's going to be equal to 40. So we have 2 raised to the power 3 plus 5 base 2 divided by 6. 4 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 plus log 5 base 2. 5 base 2 divided by 6. 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to the power 3. 3 plus log of 5 base 2 divided by 6. Is that going to be equal to 40? Right. So now, this is the same thing as raised to the power 1. So 1 multiplying everything in the bracket. So now we see we have something in common. We have 3 plus log 5 base 2 divided by 6 in common. And we can factor that out and then add up whatever we have left, which are the multipliers. Or we can still, since we have the same base, we can just add up the powers. Still the same thing. So now we have 2 raised to the power 3 plus log of 5 base 2 divided by 6. And then we add up the powers of 1 plus 2 plus 3. See if that's going to be equal to 40. So now we have 2 raised to the power 3 plus log of 5 base 2 divided by 6 times 6, because if we add this up, it'll give us 6. See if that's going to be equal to 40. Now the 6 can cancel out. Both 6's can cancel out. So what we have left is 2 raised to the power 3 plus log of 5 base 2. Let's see if that's going to be equal to 40. Now we know that a raised to the power m plus n is the same thing as a raised to the power m dot a raised to the power n. Let's apply that to the left-hand side. So we have 2 raised to the power 3 dot 2 raised to the power log of 5 base 2. Okay, 2 raised to the power 3, we know that is 8. From one of the log rules, we know that a raised to the power log of b base a is the same thing as b. Okay, now let's apply this rule to this part of the left-hand side of the equation. So 2 raised to the power log of 5 base 2 becomes 5. Is that equal to 40? We see that 5 times 8 is 40. And 40 exactly is what we have on the right-hand side of the equation. So that means our value of x, which is 3 plus log 5 base 2 divided by 6, is correct. So I would like you to go through this solution step by step slowly, just so that you can fully understand how we arrived at our answer. So that next time when you see a question like this, you'll be able to solve it on your own. Okay? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.